What you got, kitty? She is loving this little thing I just made. Let's talk about your toy, huh? Let's share it with all our friends. So this box is just something from Amazon. Let's see here. So here's the top. Hey, we're trying to share here. So here's the top, I cut it open here. So what I did is I just obviously took the stuff that I bought out and then cut a hole here, here. So I used that cut open part for the bottom. So I put a hole there on the side. There's a hole on the top, 2 holes on this side, and a hole on this side sort of in the middle. And so once I opened it, I put, let's see if we can, okay, if you can see that kind of pink ball over there, if the cat would stop moving it. And now she's getting it. So really simple, I just kind of tore at it with some scissors, and she is loving it. The ball, I believe, is from Petco, and it's got like a little rattle in it, so she can hear it, she can see it a little bit through these holes. And I mean, I didn't decorate it or anything, but maybe since she loves it so much, we'll decorate it so we can keep it around and have it look cute for little Oscar. She is just going ham on this thing. You're so cute. I think it's driving her crazy. Look at her little tail going. You keep flipping it over, huh? I guess make sure you do a good taping job. Get it. Are you just loving your new toy? Very simple. She's loving it. You could probably put a couple balls in there too, or like a ball and maybe, let's see, here's our little matching mouse. Where is it? Here we go. Yeah, Petco. So this is the little matching mouse. So let's see if we can, oh, see if we can put that in there. Now get it. She's got her whole arm in there. And I am not turning this camera around because I'm having a lazy day. So today is just my cat, well, my roommate's cat being silly. She loves to hide under this table, in between the legs of it. You're so funny. You know, I was never really a cat person. I don't know, they always make me itchy. I'm kind of allergic, so I wasn't really a cat person. Are you done with your toy? Are you all done with your toy? But this cat, even though sometimes she makes me mad because she jumps on the counters and stuff, She's so funny. She has such an attitude. And it's hard not to love her. Look at her. She's so cute and fuzzy. Are you being silly? She's literally been... Whoa! She's ran into us. She's literally been playing with this for like 10 minutes straight. And that never happens. Now she's standing on it. Okay. Well, anyway, 6 minutes of watching my cat play with a box. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and find it useful if you have cats who are rambunctious like this little lady here. Right, Oscar? She's too focused. Look at that focus. But, yeah. I mean, it didn't cost me any money except for, you know, if you don't have a box, you could find one at a liquor store, use an old shoe box or something. This really isn't the biggest box. It's maybe, you know, a foot this way, maybe half a foot this way. It's really not too big. So, also depending on, you know, the size of your cat, you know, a little baby cat might be able to get their head through there. So, you know, cut it accordingly, decorate it if you want to. I might decorate it because she is loving it right now, so maybe I will give you guys a little update in a couple weeks and see where we're at. So I hope you enjoy. Bye! Bye, friends. What do you think, huh? Oh, Gabby wants some coffee. I want some coffee. Look at that sweet face. Look at that sweet face. Are you a sweet face? She's like, nope. Because I wreck stuff all the time. Yeah. You wreck stuff? Oh, yeah.